Hi guys, Aniq here.
Ali here.
Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today we're going to be unboxing
the Logitech G332 Gaming Headset.
So this headset over here is a stereo type stereo gaming headset. Yeah, pretty much, and it comes in the color red and black, and it's compatible. It's compatible with PC, PS4, Xbox One, Nintendo, and pretty much anything because it has a 3.5mm jack.
And it also has an adapter for the PC, so you don't need to buy one.
So here you guys can see this is the front, and over here is the back.
Okay.
So now let's open it.
That's the headset. Let's put that aside for now.
And we have this.
Logitech
this,
G, keep it playing. So here's that thing. Okay.
So what we have over here is
G sticker.
a Logitech sticker. We have setup installation guide. It's just plug it in.
Adapter for it. And this is the important safety.
And we also have this Logitech pamphlet.
So this is for if you're on the PC. One of them is gonna be for the mic, and one of them is gonna be for the sound.
Here you guys can see. Here it is.
And this has a mic which is in the arm.
So let's take this out now.
So here's the wire.
They packed this up very
Wow.
yes, well. Okay, there.
First off, this is flat.
So let's show them the headset.
So this is pretty big.
So here you guys can see is the headset. It can go like this, and
This.
yeah.
Ooh, that's
So this is all plastic, and
that's metal.
but this is metal, the extending thing. You
So
guys
it
can
doesn't
see
break.
over here, it's metal.
So it doesn't break.
That's pretty good, and it looks pretty good in general because I just like the red color on it.
Yeah, the red accents. And this is the mic which goes all the way here and up.
Here you guys can see you can just fold it and just take this off.
So that's how it goes.
So the mic has this
glossy finish.
yeah, glossy thing here, and
So
this is the headset. It's pretty cool. So let me try and wear it. So this is actually pretty comfortable. It doesn't feel too bad, and yeah, Lee can try. It's actually pretty comfortable.
okay. Okay, so this actually sounds good. It's easy to move in.
Yes. So Oli, so let's try it out.
Okay, so we have this.
So over here we have Ali's iPod, so we're gonna try it out. Let's try it out. Ali, you wanna try it out?
Sure.
So Ali, we're gonna
Where's your max?
no.
Whoa.
You can also change the sound from the back. Okay, let me quickly show them. Can you take them
This
off?
sounds actually pretty good.
So
It
over
sounds
here you can
very
change the
good.
sound from here too. Okay, let me try and record something.
You recorded it. And 3, 2, 1. Started it.
This is how the microphone sounds on this right now. I think it sounds pretty decent. It's not too cheap or anything. It sounds pretty good, so yeah.
So I like this headset a lot. Ali, did you like it, right?
Yes, I do like it. But only one side note. If this was a little bit softer, yeah, it would be pretty good. Because it's a little bit stiff.
Yeah.
It's kind of stiff.
So this headset's pretty good in general. It looks pretty good too. So thank you guys for watching this video.
Please like this video.
Remember to subscribe to our channel.
And remember to hit the bell icon.
Bye.